In a world filled with stress and anxiety, people are increasingly seeking natural and holistic methods to improve their well-being. One such practice gaining popularity is aromatherapy. Aromatherapy, the therapeutic use of aromatic essential oils, has been employed for centuries to promote physical, emotional, and mental health. This video aims to explore the fascinating world of aromatherapy, its historical roots, the science behind its efficacy, popular essential oils, and its potential benefits in improving overall wellness. 1. A brief history of aromatherapy. Aromatherapy is not a new phenomenon. Its roots can be traced back to ancient civilizations such as Egypt, China, and India. The Egyptians used aromatic oils for embalming and religious rituals, while the Chinese and Indians incorporated aromatic herbs and oils into traditional medicine to treat various ailments. The term aromatherapy was coined in the early 20th century by French chemist René Maurice Gattefossé, who accidentally discovered the healing properties of lavender oil when treating a burn injury. 2. How aromatherapy works. Aromatherapy works on the principle of the mind-body connection, utilizing the olfactory system to influence emotions and promote healing. When inhaling essential oils, the aromatic compounds stimulate the olfactory receptors in the nose, which then send signals to the limbic system, a part of the brain associated with emotions, memory, and behavior. This interaction triggers a cascade of responses, leading to the release of neurotransmitters and hormones that can influence mood, stress levels, and even pain perception. 3. The science behind aromatherapy. Although aromatherapy has a long history of use, the scientific community has only recently begun to explore its mechanisms and potential benefits. Research has shown that certain essential oils have antimicrobial properties, which can help fight off infections and boost the immune system. Other oils have demonstrated anti-inflammatory effects, making them useful in managing conditions like arthritis and skin inflammation. Furthermore, studies have indicated that aromatherapy can have a positive impact on psychological well-being. Essential oils such as lavender and bergamot have been found to reduce stress and anxiety levels, while citrus oils like lemon and sweet orange can uplift mood and promote relaxation. 4. Popular essential oils and their uses. There is a vast array of essential oils available, each with its unique properties and potential uses. Some of the most popular essential oils and their therapeutic benefits include: A. Lavender oil. Known for its calming and soothing properties, lavender oil is often used to alleviate stress, improve sleep quality, and promote relaxation. B. Peppermint oil. With its invigorating aroma, peppermint oil is commonly used to relieve headaches, enhance mental clarity, and aid digestion. C. Tea tree oil. A powerful antimicrobial agent, tea tree oil is frequently applied topically to treat acne and skin infections. D. Eucalyptus oil. Renowned for its decongestant properties, eucalyptus oil is used to ease respiratory issues and promote clear breathing. E. Chamomile oil. Known for its gentle and calming effects, chamomile oil is often used to soothe nerves and promote restful sleep. F. Lemon oil. This refreshing oil is believed to boost mood, improve focus, and promote feelings of positivity. 5. Aromatherapy in practice. Aromatherapy can be administered through various methods, each offering unique benefits. Inhalation involves using diffusers, steam inhalation, or adding a few drops of essential oil to a tissue or cotton ball for direct inhalation. Topical application involves diluting essential oils with carrier oils and massaging them into the skin, providing localized benefits and absorption. Moreover, aromatherapy can complement other therapeutic practices. Massage therapists often incorporate essential oils into their treatments, combining the benefits of touch and scent for a truly holistic experience. Additionally, aromatherapy can be used in conjunction with meditation and yoga to enhance mindfulness and relaxation. 6. Potential benefits of aromatherapy. The practice of aromatherapy has shown promise in various areas of health and wellness. A. Stress and anxiety reduction. Aromatherapy, with its calming properties, can help reduce stress and anxiety levels, promoting a sense of tranquility and well-being. B. Improved sleep quality. Certain essential oils, like lavender and chamomile, can aid in improving sleep quality, making them valuable tools for those struggling with insomnia or restless nights. C. Enhanced mood and emotional balance. Aromatherapy can influence emotions positively, helping to uplift mood and promote emotional balance. D. Pain management. Some essential oils possess analgesic properties, making them effective in managing pain associated with headaches, muscle aches, and menstrual cramps. Immune support. Certain essential oils have antibacterial and antiviral properties, which can bolster the immune system and aid in preventing infections. 7. Safety considerations. While aromatherapy can offer a myriad of benefits, it is essential to use essential oils safely. Undiluted essential oils should never be applied directly to the skin, as they can cause irritation or allergic reactions. Always perform a patch test and dilute essential oils with carrier oils before topical application. Moreover, pregnant women, individuals with certain medical conditions, and children should exercise caution when using essential oils. It is advisable to consult a qualified aromatherapist or healthcare professional before beginning aromatherapy. Conclusion. Aromatherapy, a time-honored practice with roots in ancient civilizations, has resurfaced in modern times as a natural and holistic approach to healing and well-being. The therapeutic use of essential oils has demonstrated promising effects on physical, emotional, and mental health. As research continues to unveil the potential benefits and scientific mechanisms behind aromatherapy, this age-old practice will undoubtedly continue to play a significant role in supporting overall wellness for generations to come. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.